Nothing changes if nothing changes. Why 2% people get successful and 98% don't? You do not want to come out of your comfort zone. You do not want to take action. Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Singh, and coming from a Hindi medium school, I always wanted to learn English spoken. And I practiced, and I feel I have come a long way. I never procrastinated in this thing. So that is why I'm here giving you some advices that you can follow and you can just be remarkable. So the first solution of mine is embrace the habit of action now. Whatever work is coming to your mind, just do it right now. For example, I got a project. I had to write down about certain topics, 10 topics I had. And I thought it's so easy. I will do it after some time. It's so easy. It won't take that much time. It's so easy. What happened after that? I got stressed about all of those things. And now whenever I start doing that work, I feel stressed. Oh my god, I have to get done 10 topics and I'm still at the second or third only. This is the problem of procrastinating. You could be good today, but you choose tomorrow to get done the work. And that is not a good thing at all. Embrace the habit of action now, because leaving the work, avoiding the work for the future becomes stress for you. And what time stress will turn into depression. You will feel anxiety for doing those work if you will leave a lot of works pending. Horrifying, I guess. So let's talk about the second thing is breaking the overwhelming tasks into small or mini tasks. Okay, so if I will have to record video, do you know how much it takes to record? I have broken the task. Okay, now listen to my mini task. I just have to watch a particular video which I want to record, so I get some ideas and advices. Watch the video. Okay, then whenever I get free, I will write down my thoughts about that. Okay, then whenever I get free, I just come upstairs and start recording. I start recording and speak anything. Then I have my diary with me, so if I have to see some ideas, I can see some lines. Okay, after recording, this is done. Now whenever I feel free, I will edit that. Firstly, I will have to transfer the recording in my phone. Okay, then whenever I will get time, I will edit the template. I have forgotten what do we call that. So edit the template of my video, and whenever I get free, I will upload that. So this is how I have broken all of the tasks in mini tasks. If I think like I have to write down, I have to upload the video, I have to record, I have to transfer the audio, edit the video. Oh my god, it's so exhausting. And then I will end up avoiding that work also. Don't go all in anything. Otherwise, you'll end up feeling exhausting and you will avoid the work after that. So don't do that. And there's also a book called Atomic Habits, I guess. Mini changes and remarkable results. Something like that. I don't remember the exact name, and that helps a lot. And the last one is that visualizing the negative consequences. You might think this is not right, visualizing negative effect or consequences. No, this helps. This helps magically with the people of procrastinators. To the procrastinators. When they feel, have you ever seen people who leave just leave their work and avoid their work doing, and then they complete the work from the deadline, before the deadline only. Why? Because then they have the idea in their mind that if they would not complete their work now, they will be ashamed of, they will have to face the disrespect or other consequences can happen. That's why they complete the work at the end moment. Maybe for the whole night they would not sleep, they will complete the task. And that is why imagining negative visualization works a lot. If I talk for the people, like many of you would want to become teacher, doctor, engineer, or maybe you want to improve your skills, some cricketer and fashion designing, anything, and you're just avoiding that right now. Just think about that you were not able to complete or achieve the things you wanted just because you did not work. How do you feel right now? Oh my god, this is horrifying for me, and it can be for many of you. So if you are not able to, okay, for boys you will have to pursue a business or something which you do not want to do. Imagine you do not wanted to do something and you'll have to pursue just for the sake of earning money. How do you feel about it? Horrifying, right? So, and all these things happened because you did not give your 100%. You did not take action in that moment only. You avoid taking actions frequently. That happens for so many people. If I talk about girls, many girls want to do government jobs, pursue their passion, do so many things, but they are not taking actions just for the habit of procrastinating. Imagine you were not able to achieve what your potential was. Why? Because you did not take action in that moment. You should have worked hard, not worked hard, but you should have be perseverance with your actions and consistent. Now, if you do not, I'm not saying housewife is not a good job. It is a really tough job, and handling house is a really tough job because they never get a day off. Let's not take that topic there. But if you have the passion, if you want to work, if you want to do a job, then this can be horrifying for you because you are at the home working. Being housewife without achieving what you wanted to, your goal, your passion, you have left everything. You had the potential, you had mind, you had the opportunities, but you left. Why? Just because you had the habit of procrastinating. Now in the world we have everything. We have the opportunity, we have the stage. Everyone has their phone. There are multiple teachers available for any courses, any topics, any skill over YouTube for free. If you want to achieve, if you wanted to, you would have also. Because if I'm not able to follow or achieve my potential, that's horrifying. But I haven't put any deadlines for my dreams, and I'm keep on working over my dreams, and I will keep on doing whatever I want to do, and I'm doing. Actually, you're watching me. I hope I'm pretty good at it, and on the other side I'm doing so many things, so I'm so happy about that. And women can, not only women, men, everyone, person can handle anything if they have the belief in themselves that I can do everything and I will do everything. I won't leave this, I won't leave this, I will continue everything, and with the free mind and with the happy mind. So that is it for the day. Hope you have gotten something, And so moral of the story, or my last line will be, acting, simplifying and visualization can erase the word procrastination of your life forever. So just embrace the habit of taking actions, simplify, and just go ahead. You're gonna excel at it. And this is it for the day. Hope you have gotten something. If you did, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.